Hello everyone, today we're going to do a shout out video for this product over here called GHome Smart Products, and they've sent me this 4-pack smart switches to do a shout out. As most of you know, with the smart switch you can control electrical products like bulbs, fans, appliances, pretty much anything from the comfort of your phone. And you can also set a timer or schedule as to when you want the item to be turned on or off. And this one has a very easy setup. Install the smart switch, download the app, and add your smart switch to the app. It has all the instructions written on it, so let's look into it. So this is what we have got. It has all the hardware which you need to install the switch. So here's the switch, and that's the switchboard, and of course it has papers to help you mark them or to go through the instructions here and all the information. We've got, this is the switch itself, and here's the board, and you're just gonna stick it in there, on top of it. And if you can tell, it has nicely screw sits on the back, and you can just put the cover on it, which looks even more smooth. So all you're gonna do is take it and switch this board to that. Yeah, so it's very easy to install. Just follow the instructions on that pamphlet, and you have to download the app with it on your phone. Add the smart switch with the Wi-Fi connection, and that's pretty much it. And it's a great product, and they sell on Amazon. I will leave the shopping links in the description of this video, and please do check out and buy it from there. And that's it for today, and if you like today's video, make sure you like it and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.